So, how much longer are we going to hear about a Republican health care plan before we actually see one?
Let's repair the damage done by Obamacare and transition to a system that works. That still ought to be basically the wording that should guide our actions. Repair the damage done, which starts with describing it. Our problem is we have Democrats in a complete state of denial. All they're trying to do is mask what a miserable failure Obamacare.
Obamacare is far from perfect, admittedly. But over 20 million Americans were able to get health care because Obamacare exists. So while not perfect, it's a hell of a lot better than what we had. Having said that, Obama's first plan, his first desire coming into office was to get universal health care. You guys didn't want it. Obamacare is your plan. It was thought up by the Heritage Foundation. It was initially put into play in Massachusetts under then Republican Governor Mitt Romney, and it was known as Romney Care. So, if you want to talk about the damage done or the things that need to be fixed, let's talk about it. But my guy, this is your plan. And the reason why we know this is your plan, A, the Heritage Foundation thought it up, B, Mitt Romney enacted it, but also because you guys can't come up with another plan. You want to talk about what we need to replace this with, show it to us. Stop talking about what we're gonna need to replace Obamacare and start showing us what you're going to replace it with. We have been talking about this since 2009. That's how long this has been going on. Since 2009. Obama was elected in 2008. The Affordable Care Act was enacted in 2009. Ever since then, Republicans have been talking about repealing and replacing. 63 votes to repeal and replace Obamacare, but you never had a plan. You can't produce a Republican health care plan. Donald Trump now says he has a new Republican health care plan, and that is to just give the ACA subsidies that currently exist through the marketplace and are paid directly to health insurance companies, to give the same subsidies directly to the people so that they could just turn around and give it to the health insurance companies to buy health care. Show us an actual plan. We have been waiting for years to hear about a plan, to see a plan from the Republicans that would replace the Affordable Care Act. You don't have one. You can't produce one. So how about you stop telling us that you're going to come up with something that's God almighty, all red, white, and blue fantastic for the American working folk, and actually fucking do it.